Hello there, this is the Actatek technical presentation. Actatek stands for Access Control Time Attendance Technology. Actatek is providing state-of-the-art web-based ID management solutions. Based upon Actatek ID management platform, a person can be authenticated using a combination fingerprint, RFID smart card PIN. RFID smart cards can be of any HID I-Class, HID Prox, MyFair, EM, CPass, and other cards available in the market. Coupled with Actatek's Access Server, enterprise can deploy web cloud-based Actatek ID management solution for physical security, workforce management, payroll management, security, surveillance, and RFID tagged asset management. This is the Actatek's ecosystem. You have the Actatek terminals here. This is the mobile solution. It comes with a protective casing and power bank. Enterprise smart time software that is used more towards labor cost calculations. You have the smart card key fabs and smart cards. Power solutions, which is the UPS, power over Ethernet. Secured I/O controller if you want to control more than one door or if you want extra security. IP-based smart card readers. These work exactly the same way as the Actatek 3, except that they don't have a screen and keypad. It's only for smart card. All of this can be controlled using the Access Manager Suite application. This is the product overview. As you can see, the 3-in-1 model comes with camera, smart card, PIN, and fingerprint option. It can be used on standalone or network operation mode. The optional photo and video capture is also there for added security. SSL encrypted communication between the terminals. In standalone mode, it can be used without any kind of software installation. It's already built in. The device can on default can hold up to 500 photos and 75,000 event logs without having a server backup. The device can also give Wagon 26-bit output, and you have multiple options of going for 1,000, 3,000, 5,000 users, up to 20,000 users for fingerprint and 30,000 users for smart card. You also have multiple credentials, so it can be used only fingerprint or smart card, or fingerprint and smart card, or ID and fingerprint and ID and PIN. And the device is IP65. This is the internal structure and connections. This is if you want to connect it to door switches. If you want to control to the IO controller, these are the outputs, the connection points. This is the keypad. This is your admin login. If this is connected to a doorbell, this is the enter key. There's a left scroll and right scroll, and this is the T9 keypad. This is the screen where you can purchase a software patch where this can be uploaded, where your company's logo can be uploaded instead of Actatek. It also displays the full date and time with the year, and the time can be displayed either 12 hours or 24 hours. You also have a network status icon, so if there is an X next to this part, next to the two monitors, that means it's not connected to the network. And you're also able to see the trigger, which is in, punch in, out, or lunch in, lunch out, whatever has been set. This is the user menu. For you to enter the admin page, you just have to press the keypad, the admin key. The default username is 8999 and the password is 1. These are the user manager functions where you can activate, delete, deactivate users. And this is the automatch page where you can turn on, automatch, turn off, and also a particular group. This is where you can adjust the time, and this is the IP setting of the devices. You can also set the fingerprint quality, number of samples as well, and also you can reset the events if you just want to create some more memory space. This is the web user interface. All you need is just to put the IP address of the device, and you're already inside the device for you to able to configure and set up the device. These are the multiple options. You have the user admin, in which you have reports like attendance report, daily report. You're also able to view the event log, add event logs, the manual ones. You're able to view the user list, add new users, departments, user messages. All of this can be set up from here. You also have the access control part, terminal settings, and also other tools where you have the cloud, Google Cloud Storage, SMS service setup, and if you want to do a backup of the system data, all of this can be done from the tools part. This is if you want the device, if you have the device with the built-in camera, then it can be connected directly to a DVR using a BNC connector, and you can have 24 hours live recording. This is the FLI fingerprint module. It uses TCP/IP network interfaces, so you're able to use any type of browser to access the device, and you're also able to use multiple devices and all connected through different types of patch panels or routers or modems. This is a deployment architecture. As you can see that there are different devices located in different locations that can be connected all through the cloud. You can have your application server here. You can have devices connected to a 3G modem. You can have devices connected directly to your LAN connection. All of them, if they are connected to the internet and through cloud, they can be pushed to your server, also located on the same network or on a completely different network. The key features are it's an award-winning biometric module. It's truly IP65. It's highly reliable, support for multiple verification methods. It has a CMOS camera that can be used for photos, and the same camera can also be used for video output. The benefits are it eliminates buddy punching since it's biometric. It identifies phantom workers using the camera, minimizes efforts and costs, enhances accessibility and utilization. These are the accessories that are normally used with it. So either you can go for a fail-safe lock or a fail-secure lock. It can be electric strike, electromagnetic locks, or electromechanical locks. This would be a door lock connection scene. This is for a fail-soft. This is a connection diagram for a fail-soft lock. This is for a fail-secure lock. This is using a backup. This is the Actatek IP smart card reader. The interface and the web UI is exactly the same as the Actatek 3 that we just saw. The only difference is that this is only used for only for smart card readers, also available in different types: HID Prox, HID iClass. You have MyFair, EM, and also CPAS for here in Singapore. So this is also this has its own unique IP address. So just based on the IP address, you're able to have multiple devices, both Actatek 3 and IP card readers. This is a client server setup. This is for the IP camera, for the IP reader. The applications that come with it is the Actatek Agent 2. The Agent 2 will be acting as your middleware. It will be able to pull the data from your device and push it to a particular database or to a folder in the server, either in text format or CSV format. All it does is only pull the data. It does not have any user setup or any access control features that can be set up using Actatek Agent. Agent is mainly used if you want to have it synchronized with payroll or HR management softwares, where all it needs is raw data from which it will do the further processing. We also have the Access Manager Suite. The Access Manager Suite is our most intense software application. So this is a centralized software. So with this, you can control up to 150 terminals located anywhere in the world. You have with Access Manager Suite, you have the option of access control, time and attendance, user management, terminal management, and also multiple report generation. Can all be done from the AMS. It's an access server and an access client. It gives complete web-based management to one or all of your Actatek devices. You can add users, remove users, edit. You can also do attendance reporting modules. It's already built in. Then it supports SSL encryption, so your data is protected, and it is also able to be integrated with third-party applications. So you have devices in different locations, all of them using cloud are pushed to the router, which are pushed to your server, to the access manager, which is backed up by the database. This is a network solution where you can use a 3G MiFi router, you can use this in places where there is no wireless infrastructure. You can connect it to a power bank, and you can push data on real time. If you have a data plan with a SIM card in it, you can push the data on real time to your server. This is using the video camera. You also have the option of going for a PoE module. So for the model, it's a different type of model. If somebody wants PoE, they can purchase it. It's a little bit more. It's charged a little bit more than the normal model, but this is built on order. We normally don't hold stock of this. This is the IO controller. You can use this controller if you want extra security. Normally, if you do not use this, any person can just dismantle the device from the wall and try to do some kind of wiring to open the door. But if this device is connected to a IO controller, and the IO controller is normally located inside the site, this prevents them from anybody to open the door from outside. The IO controller is also used if you want to control two doors. If it is one door, you do not need this. If it is two doors, you need this. And you also, if you need Vagrant output to be given to use to any kind of third-party controllers, then this devices can give up to 26-bit Vagrant output. This is where it can be used. As you can see, it's normally used with turnstiles. This is the connection diagram from the device to the IO board. This is the legend for the models. It normally starts with Acta 3, means Actatek third generation, followed by the model. So the model is normally either how many number of users, so it's either 1K, 3K, 10K, how much ever it is, followed by the options, whether it says FLI or only PIN or only smart card, it will say that. So over here, if you have Acta 3 1K PC, that means Actatek 1000 users, it's only camera, PIN plus camera. If it is SFLI SMC, it means fingerprint model, 1000 users, smart card MyFair, and with camera. This is the packing checklist. Thank you.